Hey everybody, I went on a trip to Vanua Balavu with my dad to the Bay of Islands, and here's some footage of me and my dad going fishing.
Hello, you're catching up with Nelson.
No.
Who's a bit scared right now. We are headed on a 3-week adventure to do a little bit of work and a little bit of fishing in the remote maritime islands of Fiji. Today we're flying to Vanua Balavu.
Yeah.
Our plane is out there looking safe, and there's about 12 seats on it. No toilet, so you have to hold it, Mr. Nelson. Sorry for the background noise. Another plane going at the moment. And not sure how long the flight is, but there's only one flight in per week to Vanua Balavu. So we are gonna be on this same plane a week from today, coming back to Suba. Hola.
Hola, hola.
How are you?
Good too. Mode.
Made. Oh, check out our plane. Oh, big fish.
Should I cast?
Yeah, go.
Oh, there, it's...
Oh! Damn.
Oh,
What the hell, Nelson? That was a perfect cast.
Okay, bro.
Oh.
Come on.
Go again.
Yeah, go
Do you
again.
think...
Oh, look at it. It's right there.
Oh,
It's blue trevally. Nelson's got a big old GT on right now. in this.
Oh my God.
Is it a cheaty?
Yeah.
Oh, damn! That was you. Come back here on the platform. What? Oh my gosh, it's a huge.
Yes, mommy.
Dude. Oh, dude, that's beautiful. Here,
I get the sailor. The sailor.
Yeah, that's it! Woo! Yeah, man! You're 3 to my 0, huh? Oh, blue trevally! Yeah, blue trevally! Woo! Yeah! Damn!
We got coral trout, I got a small dogtooth tuna, mac tuna, got a massive long-nosed emperor. There are a lot of long tom too. And we got a bunch of yellow lip emperors. Hey,
What are you doing?
cleaning the laundry.
Nice. Well done. Thank you, son.
Oh, the Bay of Islands. That was so beautiful there. We hooked up a couple good fish there too. And if I had my spear gun, that would have been fun. to say thank you to the Furcher Philly family and Moana for letting us stay at their awesome house in Vanua Balavu. And also I want to say thank you to Vol Lures for letting us use some of his really nice lures that helps catch a lot of fish.
What do you like about those lures?
They swim really well, they look good in the water, and the fish like them.